All right, so we also have perforators. Now, perforators act as cutting elements on an element, and it cuts that element, cuts a section out of it, and places, in this case, the cell in its place. This example that you're seeing here on the little graphic, if you were in V8i and tried this, what would you have to do? You'd have to cut the pipe, cut a section out of it, cut the correct distance out, and then place your cell inside there, okay? Not that it was fraught with error, but it certainly, you could make a mistake. Now all that can be done at the same time. And so let's just show you that, because that's pretty cool as well. I've got an example here that I'm going to use from Component Center, and I'm just using it to get to a cell quickly. This cell happens to be up in a connected project. It's up in the cloud, so to speak. I'm going to come down and select it. There it is there. Let's go ahead and place it. I'm going to place it in the file. You'll notice that you see two cyan lines, right? The inner line is where an HVAC duct would be, a metal duct. The other line that's there, there's a collar or tolerance, a distance around it, that would be where we're cutting an area through the wall to place the duct into. So we're going to cut it a little bit larger. Now mine's exaggerated, but just so you can see, you know, you've got an area that you would cut and then the duct would fit inside that. So let's place that. So first off, what I want to do is rotate this to a side view. I also want to change the length so it'll go through all the walls so you can sort of see how that works. And so now it's much longer. Let me slide this off to the side so it's not in the way. And you'll notice I'm going to snap to the top of the wall. I'm not going to worry about making this perfect, but I'm going to snap to the wall. I'm going to move my cursor down. It's tough to see, but I'll zoom in. Do y'all see the little perforation that's being cut there? This is going to cut directly through that solid. So you'll notice it's cut the walls. It's perforated the walls at that location. So pretty cool stuff. You can see as I zoom in, there's the HVAC duct. There's the larger cut that goes through it. Again, how would you do this in the old version? You would have to cut that first. You'd cut the perforator first, then place the duct. And they really wouldn't be connected. Today, they actually are. If I grab a hold of that and I drag that down, you'll notice that the perforations go with it.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.